Who controls your assets in an irrevocable trust? The trustee does, and with an irrevocable trust, you cannot be the trustee. So it has to be someone that you trust. It could be a friend, family member, or a professional like an attorney, financial advisor, someone like that. So your probably next question is, how are you going to protect yourself? How are they going to handle being mismanaging the assets? All of those things. So there are some rules and guidelines that you can put inside of your trust document to protect yourself from someone mismanaging the assets inside your trust. Obviously, it's not bulletproof, so you have to trust this individual. But some of the frameworks that you can put inside there is going to be a trustee removal clause, a backup trustee, and then the automatic succession clause. And so with the trustee removal clause, you want to give your beneficiaries the ability to have a majority vote to remove a trustee in the event that they are not following the trust document that you have outlined for them to manage and distribute those assets. So that would remove the trustee. When you remove that trustee, you want to have someone in place that can step into their role of trustee and start taking over the management of those assets. That would be your backup trustees. They call them successor. And so with that, you just want to list out backup trustees that would be able to step into the trustee role in the event that you have to remove the trustee, or they become incapacitated, or they pass away. These are natural things that you would want to have in there. So you've removed the trustee, you have your backup one, and now you want them to be able to go into that role automatically. If you don't have an automatic succession clause, your beneficiaries will have to go to the courts and get court approval for that backup trustee to go into their role as trustee. And so if you don't have these clauses in there, at every stage you will have to go to the courts and get approval from a judge to remove the trustee, to submit a backup trustee to them and get approval on that, and then to put the trustee into place to manage the assets inside the trust. So it's important that you set up these clauses so that your trust is being managed without any hiccups in operations. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.